So today we're going to set the preload on the bearing, the wheel bearings. We've got two of them in there. That's the nut, the bearing nut. First, you need to set it at in between 17 and 25 pounds. So we're going to set the torque wrench. So right now it's at 22. We could probably go up 23. So it's at 23 foot-pounds. Now, while you're setting the preload, you need to have the wheel turning. So we've got Noah here. He's going to turn while I set the preload on it. I'm just going to set it to 23 foot-pounds. And then after that, you need to go back a half a turn. So we've got the ratchet set, and we're going to go straight up. And once that's straight up, we're going to set it to 10 inch-pounds. So here, on the big dials, you've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We're going to set it to 10. That's the second big mark. So if you look, we're at 5 right now. We're going to go up one more to 10 inch-pounds right there. That's 10. And that's how you set the preload on the wheel bearings.